KHKT News Today.
A Pennsylvania tree trimming company was recently caught hiring numerous illegal immigrants over American workers. Unfortunately for them, President Trump's officials have just issued one of the most brutal punishments ever given to a company for hiring illegals. Asplundh tree expert of Willow Grove, Pennsylvania, just pleaded guilty to willfully and knowingly hiring illegal immigrants. Some of the workers were here illegally, and none had authorization to work in the country, according to official court documents. Companies that are typically paid in cash for their services are notorious for hiring illegal immigrants. The cash-only nature of the business makes it very difficult for U.S. officials to track, but apparently after much investigation, ICE bolstered enough evidence to prove the tree trimming company's wrongdoings. After pleading guilty to knowingly hiring illegal immigrants and condoning shady vetting processes for their employees, a federal judge ordered the company to pay $80 million and adhere to a special agreement with ICE, presumably allowing them access to check the company's records in the future. The details on this were not made public. According to Wall Street Journal, the company was very sneaky in their law-breaking activities. Rather than outright hiring illegal immigrants, they decentralized hiring so that corporate executives could turn a blind eye while local recruiters brought as many illegals as possible on board. ICE said Asplundh decentralized hiring so the company's senior management could remain willfully blind as lower-level managers hired and rehired workers they knew weren't allowed to work in the U.S. The agency also said the lower-level managers knowingly accepted false or fake identification documents. In a statement posted on the company's website earlier this month, Chairman and CEO Scott Asplundh said the company took immediate corrective action after being told of the federal investigation in 2015. The company declined to comment further on Friday. Policy changes, Mr. Asplundh said in the 19th statement, included reviewing the identity of every employee using a photo ID system based on the face recognition software used by ICE. The company's guilty plea and civil settlement were the result of a 6-year investigation by ICE's Homeland Security Investigations Division. Since 1986, employers have been required by federal immigration law to verify an employee's legal right to work in the U.S. They also must maintain records of each worker's employment verification and identification documents. ICE routinely audits a business's employment verification records and has levied tens of millions of dollars in fines since 2007. It is unclear what the largest fine was before this week's order against Asplundh. However, in 2014, the latest figures available from the Department of Homeland Security, the government opened 2,022 workplace enforcement cases and levied fines totaling more than $16 million. With liberals fighting ICE every step of the way, it's crucial for President Trump to send a strong message to companies violating federal immigration laws. California and other leftist states have already signed numerous laws into action, preventing ICE from investigating potential illegal immigrant hotbeds in their states. This $80 million fine makes it abundantly clear that President Trump and his administration is not to be trifled with. He ran on a campaign promise to deport any and all illegal immigrants, and so far has not disappointed the people of America. Hopefully, he will undo the mess that Obama did by the time he's out of office. If you think that we need to build the wall, then please give this article a share. Thank you and God bless.